Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to mine Fomo Hash airdrop. So you go to your Telegram, go to the search button and search for Fomo Hash. This is it. Click on open. Once you click on open, we're gonna start mining. Okay, this is it. Click on skip. Start mining. Access the system. So now for current price of this, for you to be able to mine your Fomo Hash, you need to get Telegram star. That's for you to confirm on pay. We have 150 stars for us to buy, so you can just go ahead and buy any star. Click on more options and you can buy a lot of any stars, which is this is Telegram star. It's needed for you to be able to mine your Fomo Hash, but I believe with time the mining is going to reduce or probably needed no star for us to be able to mine it. But it's just a new mining, so it's possible there might be some logic. So guys, let's wait a little more for it. I believe we'll be able to mine freely. For those of us that we cannot buy the Telegram star, but for those of you that can buy the Telegram star, successful mining. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.